Conversation about first meeting.
Hi.
Hello.
How do you do?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good. What is your name?
My name is Jack. What is your name?
My name is Scott.
Where are you from?
I am from Delhi. And what about you?
I am from Mumbai.
Where do you live now?
I live in Delhi now.
How many years have you been living here?
I have been living here for 6 years.
What do you do here?
I work at school.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am.
Which subject do you teach?
I teach science. By the way, what do you do?
I work at office.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children. A boy named Kevin, and a girl who's named Kira.
Wow, it's good.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have. Because I am single.
Oh. Do you have girlfriend?
Yeah. Her name's Susie.
Wow! Shall we go to the cafe?
Yes, of course. Which cafe are we going?
We are going 5-star cafe.
How far is it from here?
It takes around 10 minutes from here.
Okay. Let's go to the cafe.
If you like this video, so don't forget like and share my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.